This is exactly what I've been trying to knock in to the heads of many lawyers and numbskulls. Bodoh nak mampus who cannot understand the law. Trying to explain to them the law, they macam bukan tak boleh faham. They don't want to faham. They don't like it. They don't like to understand it. This is the problem with many people in the world. They like to believe what they like to believe. They believe what they would like to believe. If something is not right staring at them, they won't see it for what it is. They will look away. These are people who are devoid of objectivity. Objectivity is a blessed thing tau. It's a gift from God. Not everybody has it. You need to be humble. You need to be analytical. You need to be truthful and honest to yourself to be objective. That's what objective is about. Objectivity is about. You accept feedbacks, negative or positive, or accept people's differences. People view differently from you. These are how you evaluate, and you have to be fair and you have to be balanced in how you evaluate things. So nampak, boycott tak salah. Suka hatilah nak boycott. Boycott simply means what? I refrain myself from something. Because of my belief, I block myself from that thing. Even though that thing may appeal to me or may benefit me, I deprive myself from that. And by doing so, I am hoping, I trust that that entity is also deprived of the benefit they get from me. Itulah maksud dia boycott. So that is not wrong in any country, any law pun. Tapi arson and what not, itu semua crime lah. Precisely that. Tapi sekarang ni bila arson semua masuk, orang nak link to boycott ke apa ke, well, you can link to that, but it's not Akmal's fault lah kalau orang serang. Dia tak suruh orang serang atau bakar KK Mart. Dia tak suruh. In fact, dia warn, kata, benda macam ni boleh bagi orang jadi gila. Muslim memang banyak gila pun. Percaya benda bukan-bukan. There are many extremists among the Muslims. Now, extremists ni akan bakar lah KK Mart. Hatred. It is a hate crime tau, benda ni. Bila bakar semua ni. Now, Ahmad did not do that. Of course, he is not helping in easing tensions. Tapi dia continue. Dia consistent from day one sampai ujung. Dia kata KK Mart kena banner satu negara. Otherwise, kita akan ajar KK Mart by boycott. That's it. He did not go even beyond that to say kita akan bakar, kita akan... No. Tak ada. The only thing that dia kata kita akan boycott. To hurt KK Mart by boycott, by depriving them of sales. That is what it is. And in wanting to do so, whether rightfully or wrongfully, to me is wrongfully lah. Tapi itu hak dia. Dia boleh buat macam tu. And there's nothing you can say, tak boleh. Salah you buat macam tu. Kita kena arrest dia. You cannot arrest dia for that. You nak pakai SOSMA. SOSMA can even be applied on you yang donak ni. So, what? For something you didn't do, you arrest dia because it's national security. I don't agree that Akmal masuk jail atau tak will change the situation. In fact, I believe kalau you masuk Akmal dalam penjara ataupun you detain him under SOSMA, it will aggravate the situation further. There will be more incidences, spate of instances of attacks on KK Mart because it becomes now suddenly macam KK Mart jadi the nemesis now. And government siding on KK Mart, jauh agenda DAP akan keluar lah. DAP juga akan kena blame. Tak percaya tengoklah. So this is, I tak tahu lah, orang tak faham this concept. To me, what I suggest is this lah. If you accept my submission, that my assertion that boycotting is not a crime, calling for a boycott or advocating a boycott is not crime, what we can do is just to neutralize and make it fail. How do you make it fail? You make it fail by now, you campaign to support KK. Macam ada uncle tu yang suruh beli. Itu cara dia. Maknanya now, when we want to go to convenience store, ada 7-Eleven, ada KK, ada Speedmart. Pergi KK lah. Hopefully KK punya harga paling elok. Selalunya I compare harga. I go and buy where cheapest is. I am on the side of me. More than I am on the side of KK, 7-Eleven or the rest. Tapi kalau all things equal, I beli kat KK. Because I don't want KK to be out of business, and I don't think they deserve to be punished like this on this boycott thing. But yang dia punya boss, dia punya bini, boss tu punya bini dah kena charge, let it go to court lah. Let the court determine lah, and the court akan tegakkan keadilan. Kalau dia orang salah, dia orang akan kena. Tak salah, dia orang lepas. Dah, enough. Dia dah minta maaf pun, it's not even being sold anymore. There's no harm done. Why are we still harming the nation? Itu kebodohan Akmal. Walaupun dia ada hak, I defend his hak to call for boycott. Tapi memang bodoh and barat lah. Bodoh. Dia buat macam tu, dia memalukan Islam. That is annoying. And it's not helping UMNO in any way pun. Bagi UMNO lagi rejected by especially the non-Malays. So, kita the rakyat lain, Melayu, India, Cina, there's no reason for us to fight about this. It's not even racial. It's not about apa ni, a religious battle pun. It's just one lunatic UMNO guy calling for a boycott, which is not against the law, and we can easily counter that. We can counter that by buying from KK, supporting KK. So therefore, it doesn't even work. Suka hatilah siapa yang sokong dia, beli daripada daripada Azhar dan KK Mart. Boycott bila. Appease those Muslims yang nak ikut dia pun. Biar. Because itu pun hak dia orang. Nak beli pasal apa ataupun nak reject from siapa-siapa. So likewise, kita pun, Muslim ke, tak Muslim ke, kita pun ada hak to beli from KK kalau kita nak beli from KK. That's it. Bukan kita pergi beli stocks tu kan. Kita belilah coklat kan, rokok kan, whatever lah. Kan? So, this is where, tak tahulah, I'm appealing to the sensibility of people in Malaysia. And apa ni, you nak blame the police. You nak blame PM. You nak blame Home Minister failure for benda ni berlaku lah. They did not make the socks Allah tu print kat situ. Itu China punya factory buat. Bukan dia buat. Benda tu terjual. How can they control that? It happened. But look at what the government has done rather than look at what they've not done. Very swiftly, those people yang responsible dah bawa ke court dah. Court will decide nak ada prima facie case ke tak. Kalau ada, trial will continue, and kalau ada conviction lah. Tak ada lah. Acquit lah. Okay, itu dah done. Now, in the meanwhile, orang bom kedai. Police on the case dah. They are checking the CCTV. They will probably be arresting soon kalau dia boleh identify. Kalau tak boleh identify, dia macam nak arrest. So, this is happening, and Home Minister boleh kata benda ni crime. Attempted arson is crime. So, apa lagi yang tak betul? Baru jadi, they have no choice but to investigate. So, siapa-siapa yang tak puas hati lagi pasal Iqbal, if you think he's a menace, you rasa dia langgar undang-undang, buatlah police report daripada whining and blaming the government. Report. But you got to report apa benda yang Iqbal buat salah tu. What? Calling for boycott, boycotting, well, that is not salah. That's not against the law. You can try to report that. You bazir kertas, and police will just say NFA. That's it.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.